If I could tell you one thing about growing out your hair, is that it's not for the weak. You have to be mentally prepared to do this. It's not just something you do overnight. It takes some time. It takes years. Some days you might look bad and hate your hair and want to just cut it off. That's the awkward stage. But you just gotta keep pushing through it. I'm telling you, it's not for the weak. So if you want to grow out your hair, you have to put in the work. You have to put in the deep conditioner. You have to get the trims to make sure the split ends are not there. I'm telling you, you will look like this, bruh, if you give up. What is up, you guys? Yep, I'm back at it again. You already know me out here. Yeah, it's me. Alright. As you can tell, I cut my hair a little bit, and according to the title, I might be done with the hair journey. Yeah, it's devastating, I know. I would be keeping my hair at this length that I have it right now. I just like this length a lot. It's easy to maintain. It's easy to take care of. Now I could just wake up in the morning and just shake my hair like this, and I'm ready to go out the door. Before, when I had the longer hair, it was a whole process and stuff. As you guys know, if you watch my videos, it's a lot of maintenance. And you know me, I'm lazy. I'm not gonna put in the effort to take care of my hair that's gonna mess up by the end of the day. Like, come on now. You know this. This is it. Do I regret it? No. I love the shorter hair. It looks longer now because I cut it about a month ago. Yeah, I'm pretty late on recording this. My hair grows very quickly. And it's weird that your hair grows so fast when you don't want it to. If you're ever wondering why your hair doesn't grow fast, just don't think about it. Do other stuff, like it'll grow faster. So yeah, I'm just here to let you know that that's the status of the hair. I will still be posting curly hair videos because I know that's what you guys like to see. So leave some ideas down in the comments and I'll get to it. Back on the grind again. You know the Marlon grind is something special. It's crazy. I'm back on that grind. Yeah, that's pretty much it.